Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. The ultimate purpose. He asked him, why is our spiritual evolution so important? Because if we all sought our higher self, nobody would act malicious or cruel to one another. If we all acted like God, nobody would be vengeful or bitter towards others. We would see others with the love that God sees in us. And this love would be contagious to all the lives we touch. We would know that our spiritual evolution gives us purpose, ultimately to live peacefully and harmoniously with one another. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my new partner, and I'm grateful for the internet, and I'm grateful for a part for the internet. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.